start today's vlog, I want to shout out Ed Timberlake, at Timberlake Law on Twitter, or you may recognize tweets from Trademarks Are Magic. Trademarks are also fun. Mr. Timberlake likes to gather non-traditional trademarks. I'm by no means trying to copy his work here, and I did my own research, but I want to acknowledge the giant whose coattails I am unworthy of riding. Examples of non-traditional trademarks include scent, color, shape, and sounds. I've talked about some of these in the past, but I want to specifically talk about scents today. I will start with describing my favorite registered scent trademark. Registered on May 15th, 2018. See if you can guess what it is. Quote, "The mark is a scent of a sweet, slightly musky vanilla fragrance with slight overtones of cherry, combined with the smell of a salted wheat-based dough." Any thoughts? Yes, of course we're talking about Play-Doh. Hasbro obtained the registration for toy modeling compounds in International Class 28. Interestingly, Play-Doh now makes other scents such as cookie dough, popcorn, peach, strawberry, tangy apple. Let's try another one that I read that sounded vaguely familiar, and when I saw what it was, I was like, yeah, that tracks. Quote, "A proprietary scent reminiscent of a slightly earthy soap with pungent leather-like clay undertones." Let me give you a clue. International Class 16. Crayons. Yes, Crayola crayons. Now this one has not yet registered, and the examining attorney said it is a functional design because it's a naturally occurring scent, and so it fails to function as a mark, and told Crayola they need to remove the proprietary language. Let's see if Crayola can get their registration like Play-Doh did. On May 4th, 2021, Andrew Vaughn obtained a trademark registration for, quote, "the scent of fresh, sweet oranges for shoe polish, leather polishes, leather preserving polishes, leather creams, namely creams for leather cleaning and preservation," in International Class 3. On March 24th, 2020, Bushness Inc. obtained a trademark registration for, quote, "the scent of banana and evergreen with a hint of ammonia and kerosene for gun cleaning preparations for guns and gun parts," in International Class 3. The ammonium and kerosene part needed a disclaimer. How about a trademark for coconut-scented sandals? Levian sells chocolate diamonds, but what about a trademark registration for chocolate-scented retail stores? A Brazilian company has a trademark registration for bubblegum-scented flip-flops. On December 17th, 2019, the, quote, "vanilla scent contained within wax for the manufacture of CAD/CAM milled dental wax patterns for modeling wax for dental purposes was sent to Trademark Purgatory when it was registered on the supplemental register." Honestly, I'm not sure that flavor would help or hinder the gag reflex. Some scent marks have lapsed. The one I'm most disappointed about is the apple cider, peppermint, vanilla, peach, lavender, and grapefruit-scented office supplies, namely file folders, hanging folders, paper-expanding files. SHS International's registration for, quote, "the scent of pina colada" for musical instruments, namely ukuleles, has also lapsed. Well, you are now someone who knows that trademarks are fun.